DirecTV boxes use LED indicator lights to communicate their current system status. Understanding these light patterns can help you quickly identify whether your receiver is operating normally or experiencing issues. Most electronic devices, including DirecTV receivers, use LED indicators similar to this guide. Each light color and pattern conveys specific information about the device's operational state. A flashing green light on your DirecTV box is typically a normal indicator. It means the receiver is powering up, initializing its systems, or attempting to acquire satellite signals. This is completely normal during startup and usually lasts between 2 to 5 minutes. A flashing orange light indicates a system error or malfunction. This means your DirecTV receiver cannot complete its startup sequence and requires attention. Orange lights often signal problems with signal acquisition, hardware malfunctions, or software issues that prevent normal operation. When your DirecTV box is functioning properly, you'll see a solid green light, and your TV will display the normal DirecTV interface. As of 2025, these LED patterns remain the primary way DirecTV receivers communicate their status, though newer models also include enhanced digital error reporting systems. Understanding these LED indicators helps you quickly identify whether your DirecTV box needs attention or is operating normally. In the next section, we'll cover specific troubleshooting steps you can take when you encounter flashing orange lights. When your DirecTV box shows flashing lights, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps. Most issues can be resolved with these simple procedures, saving you time and service calls. Step 1 is the power cycle reset. This simple procedure resolves about 70% of flashing light issues. Start by unplugging your DirecTV receiver from the power outlet. Wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows all internal capacitors to discharge completely, ensuring a full system reset. Use your phone's timer to be precise. Now reconnect the power cable and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the complete reboot process. The receiver needs time to initialize all systems and acquire satellite signals. Step 2 involves checking all coaxial cable connections. These cables carry the satellite signal to your receiver, and loose or damaged connections are a common cause of problems. Check that all connections are hand-tight but not over-tightened. Look for any signs of corrosion, damage, or loose fittings. The connection should be snug but not requiring tools to tighten. Step 3 is resetting the access card. This small card contains your account information and authorization data. Sometimes it needs to be reseated to restore proper communication. Step 4 is checking your signal strength. This diagnostic test shows whether your receiver is properly communicating with the satellites. Access this through your receiver's menu system. Run the signal strength test and look for readings of 70 or higher on most transponders. Lower readings indicate potential dish alignment issues or signal blockage that may require professional attention. If these basic steps don't resolve the issue, professional help may be needed. Some problems require specialized equipment and expertise to fix properly. These troubleshooting steps resolve most DirecTV flashing light issues. Remember to try each step in order, as the simpler solutions often work and can save you time and service costs.